Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Ghosted board game. First, each player selects a unique character, taking their player board and matching tokens. Next, set up the main game board in the center of your playing area. Shuffle the three distinct decks, suspect, location, and motive, placing them face down. Every player then receives one card from each deck, keeping them secret. Finally, one player is secretly designated as the ghost, ready to begin the investigation. The core of Ghosted involves one player, the ghost, secretly selecting one suspect, one location, and one motive card as the true solution. The other players, known as mediums, work together to uncover these three hidden cards. Mediums take turns asking the ghost questions, aiming to gather vital information. They meticulously mark their player boards to eliminate incorrect options. The ghost responds with simple yes or no answers, or by pointing to specific cards, guiding the mediums toward the truth. During a medium's turn, they can ask the ghost about a combination of up to 3 cards from the suspect, location, and motive decks. The ghost must then truthfully indicate if any of those specific cards are part of their secret solution. Mediums also possess unique character abilities that can be activated once per game, offering strategic advantages. Pay close attention to the ghost's non-verbal cues and direct answers to effectively eliminate incorrect options and zero in on the correct 3 cards. The mediums achieve victory by successfully identifying the ghost's 3 secret cards, the suspect, location, and motive. On their turn, a medium can declare an accusation, naming one card from each category. If their accusation is entirely correct, all mediums win the game together. However, if even one card is incorrect, the accusing medium is eliminated from further questioning. The remaining mediums continue their investigation, striving to solve the mystery before time runs out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.